Hi guys, my name is Emma, and maybe you have already watched the news in my open Telegram channel. I mean that I have decided to stop teaching and stop selling my mentoring. And yes, it was a really hard decision for me, but one moment I understood that I was out of resources and I didn't want to do that again because sometimes I really feel sad, guys, that I stopped my self development. I didn't spend time for that, and I needed to lose something in order to achieve something valuable and useful for myself. Maybe you understand me. When you feel apathy, when you feel kinda tired very much, you need to spend time for myself. That's actually what I decided to do. I decided to stop teaching because it takes too much time of me. Actually, I want to improve my income, and since October I decided to do that very hard. But as for teaching, I decided to make the last stream training, and everyone can take part, but I will take only 7 students. And if you want to get into this last stream of my training, where you will get the details of my strategy, where I will help you reach your first income, you need to send me the code word last stream to my personal Telegram messages. And guys, only 7 students will be in, but there will be 2 of them who will get their personal, really useful and really important task. And this task is connected with blogging. Maybe you are interested in it, so you're welcome to engage in. So guys, send me the code word last stream, and then I will send you the details how to get to this personal training. So let's start trading. Today I decided to trade with MACD indicator, and I will show you that this is a very good thing. Let's start. Hi guys, so it's high time to trade with the technical analysis, and also I decided to take MACD indicator because it's a very good tool and it will show us the reversal points and will show exactly what volumes are dominating on the chart, increasing or decreasing ones. And thanks to this information we will analyze the market better and open the right trade. First of all, let's activate this indicator. In the list of indicators you click MACD and you don't need to change anything about settings. So this indicator is like this: the horizontal line with 0 mark, you can see the histograms of red and green colors, and 2 moving averages of green and red colors as well. Well, the signal of this indicator, when the green moving average is crossing the red one from top to bottom, and you can also see the red histogram appearing on the 0 line, and it means that this is the decreasing volumes are dominating, and very soon the price will be moving down. That means that you need to open a trade lower. When you can see the green moving average is crossing the red one from bottom to top, and after that they are diverging further from each other, and you can see the green histogram appearing. So this is the increasing volumes dominating, and the price will be moving up, and in this situation you need to open a trade higher, a trade up. So the indicator also can give some error signals. When the price, for example, is moving in the flat zone, the price doesn't have a one-way movement, obvious one-way movement. That's why indicator cannot give you the right and really clear signal, and you need to understand that when you can see the often intersection of moving averages, the indicator cannot give you the clear signals. That's why you need to miss that. In these situations the indicator is not a help for you, is not an assistant. First of all, you need to analyze this market in the technical analysis way. Yes, and after that, when you analyze it, when you have a small picture of your decision, then you can confirm your entry point with the indicator signal. And if you follow these rules, everything's gonna work out and you will succeed, you will get the profit. So now I will find the citations and show you how it actually works. So guys, it's the first situation. Here you can see the support level and the price touched this level 2 times, and now you can see the price is approaching this level. And you can also notice the intersection of moving averages and the red histogram on that line. So it means that the price will be moving down. That's why let's open the trade lower. We can see recently the price has shown us the very good downside potential and the price highs are becoming lower. So this is the down move obviously, and we can expect the breakthrough of the level very soon, and I want to make money on this movement, and I hope that 1 minute here will be quite enough. Let's check what's gonna happen. So guys, it is very good. The price continued moving down to the level we got the profit we could earn on this down move. And now we can see the price is still moving lower, and this is the impulsive red candlestick. So this is the breakthrough of the support level occurring right now, and our technical analysis was right. So the indicator also showed a very good entry point. Thanks to all these moments we have made money. Let's continue. So guys, here we can see the very good uptrend on the chart, and we can also notice this mark. We can see the resistance zone. So from this zone there is the pullback down occurring. This is the red candlesticks forming. So this is the intersection of moving averages, and we can see the red histogram appearing. So this is the decrease in volumes dominating. Let's open a trade down for 1 minute. I suppose that from this level there will be direction the pullback down, and this is where we're gonna make profit, and I hope that 1 minute here will be quite enough. So guys, it is very good because you can see the price continued moving down, and we can see the very confident red candlestick. So the indicator was right, showed us the very good entry point. So definitely these volumes started to dominate, started to grow. So guys, here we will work with the support level. Here, this is the downward movement. The red candlesticks are very steady. So they're zooming towards the support level, and we can see the intersection of moving averages and the red histogram on the chart. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes down due to the downward movement, because I expect the price will be moving down to the support level. This is the very good potential for a decrease, and I suppose that this time will be enough here. But this time of 2 minutes is with a reserve, because there can be the flat zone and we need to be ready for everything. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, there was the pullback up, but then price reversed and then moved down. Red candlesticks appeared and we made money. So we could prognose this movement. The indicator helped us in this, so let's continue. So guys, here we can see the support level, and here I want to open a trade lower for 1 minute immediately, because I can notice the price steadily moving down, breaking the level of support through, and we can get to the impulsive movement of the breakthrough, and we can see that the indicator also confirms our entry point. We can see the red histogram and the intersection of moving averages, and on this movement I want to make money, and I hope that this time will be enough. So guys, it is amazing because this level was broken through, and we can see the impulsive red candlestick. So 1 minute was enough for that, and this is what I actually mean when you watch what happens on the chart. So guys, here we can see recently there has been the confident up move and the resistance zone that was broken through already. Now the price reversed and shows us the red candlestick. So let's open the trade lower for 1 minute. The intersection of moving averages appeared on the indicator display, and we can see that the decrease in volumes are dominating now. So the price will be moving down, and we will actually learn just waiting a little bit. Let's watch what happens. So guys, it is brilliant because the price bounced down. We got the profit here. The indicator was right and showed us the very good entry point. So as you can see, this situation is a really working one, and you can find it on your chart. Oh well guys, here we can see the support level and we're gonna work with it. So the price has been approaching this level, the red candlestick's appearance, so there is a room towards the level of support. So the intersection of moving average is secured, the red histogram appearance, so this is the decrease in volumes dominating, and we need to open a trade lower for 1 minute because we can expect the further movement down and also the breakthrough of the level because we can see the potential for decrease, and also you can see this red candlestick that very impulsive, and this is the impulsive movement of the breakthrough. So I hope that 1 minute will be enough here. So guys, it is very good because we've just made money on the breakthrough of the support level. So 1 minute was enough for this. The indicator was right again and showed us the very good entry point. So this situation is very excellent. Let's continue. Well guys, here we can see the very excellent uptrend and the resistance level at the top. The price touched it once, then bounced down, and now it's reversed and approaching this level again. So now we can see the price is squeezing this level, and this is the intersection of moving averages on the display, and the green histogram appearing. This is the increase in volumes are dominating, so we can expect the up move. That's why we will open the trade higher for 2 minutes. And we can expect the breakthrough of the level of resistance. Why not? Because I'm sure that the indicator and also the technical analysis, they will all signal that we have made the profit. Let's watch it. So guys, it is very good. The price continued moving up and we got the profit. So everything really worked out. The indicator and the technical analysis, they showed us that we have made the right choice. So let's continue with another situation. So guys, here we can see the support level, and we can also notice the very confident downtrend. The price is approaching this level. So this is the intersection of moving averages and the red histogram appearance. So this is the decrease in volumes dominating on the chart. That's why you need to open a trade down in this situation for 2 minutes, because we can see the very good potential for a decrease and we can expect the down move towards the very level. But this time it's also with the result, because there can be the flat zone or a pullback, but we will be ready for it. So guys, it is very good. And despite the fact that there was a attenuation, but then price moved down, we got the profit here. And we can see that mostly of the time there is the green histogram, but it doesn't mean that the price will be moving up. That's why it's very important to pay attention to the general market situation and then look at the display of the indicator, because it sometimes can give you the error signals and you need to just remember about it. So this was the pullback up. That's why we could see the green histogram. But anyway, we could make money. We could work out it very well. Maybe from this level there will be direction. The price will bounce from it to move higher. That's why we can see the green histogram again. That's why actually we can open the next trade here. Let's open the trade up for 1 minute only, because we can see the green histogram appearing again, and this is the very interesting situation, the intersection of moving averages. This is the reaction, the pullback up occurring. This retracement movement can bring us money, and let's watch what exactly happens. So guys, it is very good because you can see the price continued moving up. We got the profit here, and that means that we could predict everything very well. The indicator signals and the technical analysis are my tools in this, and they work. So guys, let's work with this situation. This is the resistance level. The price touched it, then bounced down, and after that the price has reversed and again approaching this very level. Let's open a trade higher for 2 minutes, because we can see the price lows are becoming higher on the chart. This shows the very good upside potential, and there is a high chance that the price will move up to the level. And the indicator also shows the green histogram and the intersection of moving averages. This means that the increase in volumes are dominating and the price is gonna move higher. And this uptrend, this up move can bring me the profit. And I suppose everything really calculated and analyzed correctly. Well, guys, it is brilliant. As you can see, the price continued moving up to the level. We got the profit here and we could predict it. Everything was really good. So my deposit now is almost $6,000, but I want to open the last trade for today to make it a bigger, interesting picture. So here we can see the resistance level, and we can also notice the price touched it, then bounced down, then reversed. Now we can see the green candlesticks appearing. So the intersection of moving averages is on the display, and the green histogram, this all shows the increasing volumes dominating. So let's open a trade higher for 2 minutes, and I suppose the price will be moving up to the level. It is the very good upside potential. The price lows that becoming higher, this all signals. And by the way, we can see there is a distance towards the resistance level, and we need just to watch to the end and find out what happens. So guys, it is very good because you can see the price continued moving up. We got the profit and 2 minutes were perfectly enough. We could make money on this up move, and the indicator was very good assistance. So my deposit now is about $9,000, a little bit more, $10,000, yes, and it's the high time to leave the market, taking the profit. So the citations were very nice, and the MACD indicator is a very good tool. It's very interesting and easy to work with it actually all the time. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that the citations were really interesting for you and useful, and you will take them as an example, then find them on your chart and work them out, get the profit, and send me the screenshots with your results. So, and you remember that if you want to get to the last stream of my personal training, because there will be nothing like that anymore, I need to spend time for myself, self-development, improve my style, something like that, you need to send me the code word last stream to my personal Telegram messages, Emma Miller 03, and I will send you the details how to engage in. So guys, wish you all the best, wish you good luck, see ya in the next video.